Hello everyone, welcome to our exciting new YouTube series. Where we dive deep into the world of a Fivetran, which is a powerful tool that transforming the way we handle the data integration. What is Fivetran? Fivetran is all about making your life easier by automating data pipelines from various sources directly into your data warehouse. If you're using Fivetran, there is no more manual ETL process or complex coding. Fivetran handles the heavy lifting, so you can focus on what really matters, like analyzing your data and making the informed decisions. In this series, we'll cover everything you need to know about the Fivetran, from setting up your first data pipeline to exploring advanced features and best practices. So whether you're a data engineer or data analyst or just someone eager to learn, there is something here for everyone. Let's talk about the topics which we'll be covering in this series. We'll be starting with overview of Fivetran and how it fits into the modern data stack. Then we'll see the step-by-step guides on setting up connectors for the popular data sources. Then we'll see transformations within the Fivetran along with the DBT, then monitoring and optimizing your data pipelines, and many more topics. So by the end of this series, you'll have this strong understanding of how to leverage Fivetran for your data integration needs, helping you unlock the full potential of your data. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for our upcoming episodes. So thanks for watching. I can't wait to help you on Fivetran journey. So see you soon in the next episode.